Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to day 4 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. First of all, congratulations. You have already completed 3 days of practice. That means you are building a new habit, and that habit will change the way you speak English. Today, we are going to learn something very important. How to sound more natural when speaking English. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, why do they sound so smooth? The answer is simple. They don't try to sound perfect. They speak naturally. And today, you are going to practice that skill. Remember, natural English is simple English. You don't need long sentences. You don't need difficult words. You only need confidence and practice. So let's begin. Repeat after me. Listen first, then repeat after me. I'm ready. Let's get started. That sounds great. No problem. Of course. I don't think so. Maybe later. That's a good idea. I agree. I understand. Could you say that again? Excellent. These are short sentences, but native speakers use them every day. Now let's use them in conversations. Conversation 1. Making plans. Listen carefully. Hi. What are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure yet. How about you? I'm going to visit my friend. Would you like to come? That sounds great. What time? Around 3 o'clock. Perfect. See you then. See you. Excellent. Now let's repeat the whole conversation one more time. This time, speak with more confidence. Ready? Let's go. Repeat the conversation. Fantastic. Natural responses. Sometimes, beginners answer every question with yes or no. But natural English speakers usually say a little more. For example, question. Are you busy? Instead of saying yes, say yes, I'm a little busy right now. Question. Do you like coffee? Instead of saying yes, say yes, I drink coffee every morning. Question. Did you watch a movie yesterday? Instead of saying no, say no, but I watched a documentary. Can you see the difference? Adding one more sentence makes you sound much more natural. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. I use it every day. No, I don't. But I'd like to try. Yes, I did. It was really interesting. No, I didn't. Maybe next time. Excellent. You're already sounding more natural. Quick speaking practice. Now answer these questions with more than one sentence. What is your favorite food? What do you usually do after work? Do you enjoy learning English? Why are you watching this challenge? Excellent work. Don't stop after one word. Always try to add one more sentence. That simple habit will improve your English much faster. Excellent work. You are becoming more confident every day. Now let's continue with another real-life conversation. Imagine you are at a supermarket. Listen first, then repeat after me. Conversation 2 at the supermarket. Excuse me. Where can I find the milk? It's in aisle 3. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Can I help you with anything else? Yes, please. Where is the bread? It's next to the bakery. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Excellent. Now let's say the whole conversation one more time. This time, don't just repeat the words. Imagine you are really there. Smile while you speak. Your voice will sound more natural. Ready? Let's begin. Repeat the conversation. Fantastic. Conversation 3. Talking on the phone. Now imagine your friend calls you. Listen carefully. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. Are you busy? Not really. What's up? Would you like to meet this evening? Sure. What time? Let's meet at 6. That sounds perfect. See you later. See you. Great job. Notice how simple those sentences are. Real conversations are usually simple. Don't make English harder than it needs to be. Sound more natural. Now let's learn some expressions that native speakers use all the time. Repeat after me. Sounds good? No worries. Take your time. That's awesome. I can't wait. Really? Exactly. You're right. That's interesting. I hope so. Excellent. Try using these expressions in your daily conversations. Even one expression can make your English sound much more natural. 5 seconds speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. You have only 5 seconds to answer each question. Don't translate. Just speak. Ready? What did you do this morning? What are you going to do tonight? Who do you usually talk to in English? What is your favorite place? Why do you want to become fluent in English? Excellent. Remember, there are no perfect answers. The goal is to keep speaking. Every sentence makes your brain stronger. Fluency tip of the day. Here's today's fluency tip. Whenever someone asks you a question, don't answer with only one word. Always add one extra sentence. For example, question, do you like music? Don't say yes. Instead, say, yes, I love music. I listen to it every day. Question, do you have any hobbies? Instead of saying yes, say, yes, I enjoy reading books and practicing English. That one small habit will make your conversations longer, more interesting, and much more natural. Today's mission, here's your mission before tomorrow's lesson. Today, have a conversation with yourself for 5 minutes. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your dreams. Speak in English the whole time. If you don't know a word, don't stop. Use easier words. Keep your thoughts in English. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Final motivation? Congratulations! You have completed day 4 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. Take a moment to appreciate your progress. 4 days ago, you were just beginning. Today, you are speaking more confidently. You are thinking faster. And you are using English more naturally. That is real progress. Remember, confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. One sentence at a time. One conversation at a time. One day at a time. Tomorrow is day 5. And tomorrow, you will learn some of the most useful English phrases that native speakers use every single day. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, every day you practice, you become a better English speaker. I'll see you tomorrow in day 5. Until then, take care. Keep speaking English and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.